If colors are uneven or printing is faint, try printhead cleaning. Printhead cleaning unclogs the nozzles and improves uneven colors and faint printing. Printhead cleaning involves 2 steps. Step 1. Print the nozzle check pattern. Step 2. Perform cleaning according to the condition of the pattern. Let's start from step 1. Load 2 or more sheets of A4 or letter size plain paper. The paper settings confirmation screen appears. Follow the instructions to complete registration. Slide out the paper output tray. Tap Setup. Tap Maintenance. Tap Nozzle Check. Tap Yes. The nozzle check pattern will be printed. Check for incomplete patterns, white horizontal streaks, or faint printing. If blue circle, cleaning is not required. If red X, cleaning is required. Follow the subsequent steps to perform printhead cleaning. Tap Also B. Tap Yes. Cleaning starts. Cleaning takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Tap Yes. Check the printed nozzle check pattern. If improved, cleaning is not required. If not improved sufficiently, additional cleaning is required. If not improved even after cleaning twice, perform deep cleaning. The procedure for improving uneven colors and faint printing is now complete.